out as used to. Don't have shit to give. Spend my time just driving my truck. Don't put up with bullshit. Just wanna find a dirt road, drive my truck, live. Yeah, don't pray to God as much as I need to. He has to catch me in one of my moods. Don't have the friends I used to, some are dead and gone. If you don't have my back, well, I don't need you around. My boots are dirty, my jeans Levi's. I can find a red dirt road to drive, throwing dirt and gravel till I'm good to go again. Yeah, oh yeah. My wife starts yelling and raising hell, not the kind you think that's a good time. Yeah. If she starts running her mouth, I'll get in my truck and drive, find me fishing hole and catch that big catfish. I have no cares or worries when I'm doing that. Yeah. Don't work as hard as I used to. Don't have that energy gear. If you think I can't do it, well, maybe I'll show you I will. Yeah. Oh, driving my truck, don't give a fuck.